So today I'll be teaching you on how to put tags the right way on your video. Imagine spending countless hours, creating your videos and you're not getting the right result. You create catchy thumbnails, you try and put description, but you're not getting the right things, the right views, the right subscribers on your videos. It is so painful. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to put tags the right way on your videos. So this video is inspired by one of the comment I got from my fan, that how can I put tags the right way? And also one person said also, what is the difference between hashtags and tag? So before we go practical, one thing with my YouTube channel here is we always go practical on our things. We don't deceive. So now I will try to explain what's the difference between hashtag and also tag. So one thing I want you to know is that every feature in YouTube is so significant. So those your settings, they are very important, and you must click the right thing so that you can get the right result. So we go further, let me quickly give you the difference between hashtag and tag. So what is hashtag? Hashtag are actually the one that you put in your descriptions. It is very public, everybody can see it. That's hashtag, and it always starts with an hash. So it is always public for everybody to see. So there's one also that we call tag. YouTube call it tag. Let me call it secret tag now. So now your secret tag is the one that only you can see it, and that one is very important. That will determine how YouTube you push your video to a large audience now. So now YouTube always take that secret tag now. Very important. So now if you watch this video to the end, I can even show you a tool that can even help you to generate the right tag for you. It can generate can help YouTube to rank your video anywhere and optimize your video for the right audience. So make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the end. I will always recommend you to use YouTube Studio. Why? Because YouTube Studio has some settings, some small additional settings than the normal YouTube app, and there is no difference between let me say your YouTube app and your YouTube Studio. People always confuse that you must post with particular one. Maybe you have to use your system to post. No, you can use your phone to post and you get the right view. You can use your system to post and you get the right view. So now whatever platform you are posting from, don't worry, but use YouTube Studio for this particular tutorial. So now to anywhere in your YouTube Studio now and click on the plus button on top. So now when you click on the plus button on top, it will take you to where you upload your video now. So make sure you choose the video you want to upload. So now for this video, I'll be choosing this particular video now. So this is the video I'll be using to upload. So now let's go now. So now you have to you put your title. You have to input your title. So let me say this video was actually a place where I represented somebody in a general meeting. So now let me say how I represented someone in a large meeting. So now this is your title now. So now let's go further. So now you can choose public. Some people say you'll be choosing private, and no, you can choose public. It is very accepted. And also go to your show more. So now you can add your audience. So now your audience now always put not for kids. No, it is not for kids. The reason why I asked you to choose this is because if you choose it is for kids now, they will push your video to kids. So make sure you put no, not for kids. And also we continue also. So now there is where we will add description. So now you can explain what you actually did in this video, or let me say what this video is all about. You can just explain to the people what it is. So now let me say in this video I represented my mentor in a gathering. So now you can put your description to be more than this. In fact, you can write maybe 3 line, 4 line. You can write a whole lot. So now this is where you now put your hashtag. Now please, I want you to be patient here. This hashtag is very important. One thing is, you don't need to put a whole lot You don't need to put a whole lot on in your hashtag before you can maybe see. I will even recommend, so that not to get the algorithm confused, put nothing less, not more than 5 or 6 hashtags. So for here now, it was a meeting, right? You can put meeting, maybe meeting. You can put a meeting here. Represent, right? Representatives, you can just put a representative, and also gathering. So now, as you can see now, I only, for the sake of this video now, I'm putting just 2. So now, which means what? You can put as many as possible as you want. So you can choose as many as possible as you want. So now, this is the hashtag we are talking about. This one will go viral. Sorry, I mean, it will go public now. Everybody can see it. Everybody that is watching your video can see this one. So now, let's move further also. Yes, playlist. So one thing is, you must add your video to a playlist. So this is a new channel, a new, what's it called? This is a new YouTube channel. That's why I did not add playlist to this one. So make sure you create playlist. So what is the importance of creating playlist now? Because if someone watch your video now and you create a playlist of let me say 10 videos. So which means 10 videos are in your playlist. So now YouTube can recommend those videos now to that person now. So which means a playlist is just like a category of your videos. So make sure you create a playlist. So now the next one is they say add paid promotion. So now, do your videos include any paid promotion? It is a question, honest question. No. Make sure if you do not have any paid promotion, put no. It is very, very important. So let's go back, and also here in the comments. So make sure you turn your comment on, so that people can comment. So make sure you turn your comment on. Okay, also show likes, turn it on. It is very, very important. This will boost engagement between people that are seeing your video and other people also. Make sure you turn this on. So now, and also now, the attributes. So now, as you can see now, this is a data category. Now you can, let me say, it is very, very important now. This one is very, very important also. Here now, you can choose let me say, the particular niche now. So now my niche is let me say, the entertainment now. So because it was more like an entertainment gathering, now you can put it there. So now this is the main place we are going to. So now here now, you can create tag now. This is where the secret tag I'm talking to you about. Here you can put your secret tag here. So now let me say now, how I represented my mentor in the meeting, right? So now you can say representing my mentor. You now put comma. You see now, this is one tag now. You can put as many tags as possible. So now, in fact, you can put 10 tags, you can put 20 tags, you can put 40 tags now. So now let me quickly show you a very good tool. Now let me say, just this one is just like an expo. Thank God you wait to the end. So now I'm giving you an expo on how to generate tag for your video. So now visit this website here. So now when you visit this website, so now just copy your topic, or let me say, your title now of the video, put it there. It will generate as many tags as you want. You can just copy the tag and paste it in your in this place now. So now visit this website and put in your title of video, copy it and come and paste it here. Copy it and come and paste it here. It will just be so easy for you, and I think that is all. So now after you are done, you just upload your video, and automatically your video will go viral. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also comment. What are your challenges as a YouTuber? So let me know in the comment section. Thank you.